You may have enabled your professional mode on Facebook but changed your mind and want to turn it off. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. Now just go ahead and open up our Facebook application right here. And from here, let's click on our profile icon at the bottom right hand corner, which says menu, and you should get to this page. Now from here, just click on your name or your profile picture to get to your profile page. And then click on these three dots right here, right beside the view tools option right here. And you should see the option to turn off professional mode right on this part of this profile settings page. So just tap on that, and then Facebook will let you review important changes before you turn off your professional mode. So just click on continue right here and read through these. And if you agree with all of these, just click on turn off and wait for it to load. And then it will say that professional mode has been turned off successfully. So just click on close right here. And if you refresh your profile page by swiping down, it should go back to edit profile right here. That means that your account is no longer in professional mode. So that is how you can basically turn off professional mode on Facebook. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.